Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Today we're doing another big game recipe. Look, I'm trying to keep it as easy as possible with this one. And thanks to SHIPT, they made my grocery shopping even easier. All my groceries for this episode were delivered with SHIPT. They make shopping so much easier. And they're the official sponsor of the big game house in Las Vegas. SHIPT is awesome, guys. And right now, if you go to SHIPT.com, you get a 14-day free trial. So do not miss out. Today, we're making cheesy puff pastry.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
This cannot be easier. I want you guys to be stress-free for the big game. You should be worried about who's gonna win, not what's on the table. So all we're gonna need for this, some puff pastry, little Parmesan cheese, and a little sharp cheddar cheese. That's it. This one is 3 ingredients, super easy. This is gonna start out. We're going really cheesy on this bread. So we're gonna get the board, get a nice clean work surface, and we're gonna start by grating some cheese right onto that. We're gonna build this bread into the board. Boom, so some cheddar, some parm. And guys, whenever you're grating cheese, stick your cheese in the freezer about half an hour before. What that's gonna do, it's gonna grate a lot better that way because the fat molecules in cheese, if they're too warm, they expand and they gunk up your grater. So if they're frozen, they grate a lot better. All right, puff pastry, let this thaw overnight. So take our sheet of puff pastry and just put it all over that cheese, press it in. Now, we're gonna go grate some more right on top here. Don't be shy either. This is the big game, all right? You gotta have your cheesy bread. And if you want to, you can get even more fancy with this. You can get some Italian seasoning here, some spices. You can go nuts. I'm just going simple. I'm going cheese and puff pastry, but make this your own. Do whatever you want. All right, the other sheet of puff pastry, you stick that on top, press it in. And you guessed it, guys, one more layer of cheese. Press that in. We're gonna fold and roll. Fold it all in half. Grab a rolling pin, and we're gonna roll this out. So, press that into the board. Make sure you just get all that cheese. Got it rolled out. Now we're gonna cut little strips with these sheets. If you wanna do really long strips, you can. I'm doing mini, guys. And we're gonna twist these up and bake them just like so. Feel free to go nuts with the shapes. And then we'll transfer everything onto the baking sheet. We'll do a little twist like this, and there you go. It's that easy. Boom, twist, baking sheet. And this is a crowd pleaser. Who doesn't love a little cheesy bread? Flaky puff pastry. It's just a nice little match there, and it's easy to do. Again, you wanna just be focused on the game. You don't wanna worry about what's in the kitchen. This makes that super, super easy. All right, then we'll go ahead and pop these in the oven, 375, probably about 10, 15 minutes. Really just until they're golden brown and flaky. So use your eyes, but probably 10 minutes. Okay, those cheese twists have come out of the oven. They ended up going for about almost 20 minutes at 400 degrees. But this is what you're looking for, golden brown. That cheese is forming a little crust on the outside. This is my favorite part here, that snap. And you get that crispy cheese, that Parmesan's all melted. There you guys go. You roll it out, you shred the cheese, you bake it, and you're good to go. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. We got more big game episodes coming, all presented by SHIPT. Remember, go to SHIPT.com and get that 14-day trial. Don't miss out. SHIPT is great. They're making this thing so easy for me. See you guys next time.